Today we have this 2020 Mercedes GLE 350. Came in with no AC. After 2 weeks, it would pretty much stop getting cold. So they brought it to us. We found a TSB actually on this air conditioning system leak, and the remedy right away was to replace the evaporator. So what we did, we confirmed that nothing else was leaking in the system, not the condenser, expansion valve, compressor, everything was working correctly. It's pretty of an intensive job. We have to remove the complete dash, everything has to come out. Steering wheel, infotainment system, everything comes out. This is our old evaporator right here. It's a complete unit. Can't just get the evaporator by itself. And this one's a little hard to tell where the leak was. It was down here. It's kind of hard to get the camera in there, but it was down here. And this is our new unit that's gonna be going in. Big Phil already transferred everything that he had to transfer over here. Now we have the GLE all buttoned up, all back together. Dash is fully in, everything's back in. We refilled the AC system, and then now we have vent temp at 39 degrees. So this one came in with no cold air coming out of the vents. As you guys saw, we removed the dash, removed center console to get to the evaporator, and this was all good to go now. We're about to call a customer, let her know, bring her hoodie with her, because when she gets in this thing, she might freeze.